Hi, I'm Mary Rogers. This is the Cuisinart Automatic Grind and Brew Coffee Maker. You can't get a fresher cup of coffee when you use this coffee maker. It has a grinding chamber where you put your beans, and it has an integrated mechanism that then automatically grinds those beans and dispenses them into the filter basket. You really get the freshest, most flavorful coffee possible. It has a lot of other great features too. It has a clock right here. It has a 1 to 4 cup setting, and that is special for making, lesser cups of coffee because it adjusts the way that it's brewed so you still get a great flavor. It has an hour button, a minute button, so you can use that to set your clock. Has a grind off feature, so for any reason, if you run out of whole beans and you don't want to use the grinding mechanism, you can shut that off. It's totally programmable for 24 hours in any given day, and it also has an auto off feature, so you can set it to automatically go off between 0 minutes and 4 hours. This way you don't have to worry about forgetting to shut your coffee maker off. Let me show you some of the internal mechanisms. Right here, this is your bean chamber. This is where you're going to put your whole beans. If you fill it right up to the rim here, that's exactly the amount of beans that you need to make a full pot of coffee. It's going to put the lid back on, and you'll notice this is the chute. This is where the ground beans come out. To put that back in there. This is your water filter holder. We also give you a water filter, which you have to prepare, so follow the instructions in your manual. Generally, it includes soaking and rinsing the filter to activate it. And then you're going to open this up, put the filter in here, close it, and then just mount it inside the coffee maker. This is where your water goes. I'm just going to close the lid. Then I'm going to open this part here. This is where your filter basket is. And we give you a permanent filter to get started. This is reusable. Just dump your grounds, rinse it out, let it dry, and you can use it over and over again. If you prefer to use paper filters, this coffee maker takes cupcake style filters. You just put it right in there, and that's how you get started. We give you some to get you going. You just put that back in. This is the lid, and you'll notice in the top of the lid there's a hole. This is where the ground beans get into your filter basket. That's how that happens. Just close this, and there you have it. Here's your carafe. This is a 12-cup carafe. It has a really nice ergonomic handle, has a knuckle guard here so your fingers and knuckles never touch the hot glass. The other thing is it has a brew pause function so that if you need to sneak a cup because you're impatient and can't wait, you can do that during the brewing cycle and then just place it back in there and it'll keep on brewing. So there you have it, the 12-cup automatic grind and brew coffee maker. You can't possibly get a fresher cup of coffee.
The KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder combines high performance with classic styling to deliver gourmet results every time. Flawless fingertip control lets you grind enough beans to brew up to 12 cups of coffee, quickly and with minimal noise. And the bowl, blade, and cover are dishwasher safe. It's how great coffee gets made. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.